How to get quick answers with AI Overview in Google. AI Overviews are Google's new feature that uses AI to give you instant summaries at the top of your search results. To use this feature, firstly open Google Chrome. At the top right corner, click on that flask icon that says Labs. Inside your Search Labs, scroll down and here you will see AI Overviews and More section. If you haven't turned it on, then you will see a Turn On button. Click on that. Now select Start Searching to open a new search. In the search bar, you can type any of your questions and you will get an AI overview. On the right side of the search bar, you will also see an AI tool option. You can simply click on that. Now just to show you guys, let me search for something. Let me search for China history and you will see an AI overview at the top of the result page. You can click on Show More to see more details. If you scroll down, then you will also see an option that says Dive Deeper in AI mode. You can click on that. So this is how you can use AI Overview on Google Chrome. That's all for today. Thank you.